last night. I was in Marlborough, Curragh, and so on. We have had a hard few days here. The scenes at the Mass yesterday were really heartbreaking. The poor women weeping and almost shrieking for their dead sons. Sisters and one wife were there too, and a few small children. It makes one feel ill, I tell you.
Bí an cogadh a bhuachan ag míhall ó Coileáin, ach ní rascáil an bháis siad íomhar ó ad amhaid. Ba é seo saora na sochradí.
The Lord be Lunasa for Arthur Griffith Boss to war Rifollis in Lincoln. Ho Rafla Hart the Mask the Public Donach, or the Harlach Gominnig. Gurve Fidara Edar Frab Mihui, a Binu West, and a Forshamach, or Collins, agus an IRB Bantach la Lava Wilson, Irchan Fornia, Groupie, the Himperichte, Boder Ahish, a was shoot, Hogalor Public Donach. There seems to be a malignant fate dogging the fortune of Ireland, for at every critical period in her story, the man whom the country trusts and follows is taken from her. It was so with Thomas Davis and Parnell, and now with Arthur Griffith.
Chead lá tar éis sochraid Arthur Griffith, Jill an Coileánach ar an níor Iesgart, hí na Caracha agus na Baltimóra full Chuigiamún faoi cheannas an tírstáit. Ach bhí gníomhaíochtaí poblachtánacha fós líonmhar sa chúige.
Dúirt Denny Longlin gur stop tionlach an armla de chuid an tírstáit ar a rá clúisrogaí, Lorry Trúpaí agus Car Arna ag glorach an bhóthar go trúthaid na bandan. Dúirt sé linn freisin gur thug sé faoi deara Mícheál ó Coileáin a bheits a thar. Dífrig de Valeritim cad begóil am a Harloch inis. Dúirt mé go raibh go leor de na fíor ar a bhégan dóibh cúlú ó Limnach ó Chill Mochalóg agus ó Chill na Malach ar biléid sa ceantar sin agus go mrat nó siadsan ar an rúthar seo isteach I ceantar a bhí go tréin ar thaobh le poblachta mar thuúchláin go méid ortha aige thuairteag. Bhí méid an túram go réiteo faoi líochán sa chás go bhilach an tionlach an arma ar an mógar céanna.
Mariú Mícheál ó Coileáin na líochán a gun de chorcaí. Iad siúd a bhí ribh sinnig de na gaisces líochán a go bhí inis ar híomh an tírstáit, cháinse de mar húnmhar ó náta. Bhíon beirt arb a bhú a bhí freagrachas an gunra básaí. Bhí mrá cráfacha a tuairt le fis go hólgaseach gur bheith seo brethúnas dé ar a martúd. Bhí dia ar ardíomh leis. Stand calmly by your posts. Bend bravely and undaunted to your work. Let no cruel act of reprisal blemish your bright honour. Every dark hour that Michael Collins led since 1916 seemed but to steal the bright strength of his and temper his gay bravery. You are each left inheritors of that strength and of that bravery. To each of you fall his unfinished work. We bend over the grave of a man not more than 30 years of age, who took to himself the gospel of toil for Ireland, the gospel of working for the people of Ireland, and of sacrifice for their good. Men and women of Ireland, we are all mariners on the deep, bound for a port still seen only through storm and spray, sailing still on a sea full of dangers and hardships and bitter toil. But the great sleeper lies smiling in the stern of the boat, and we shall be filled with that spirit which will walk bravely upon the waters.
Bhí an Coileánach marmh ag orach ar a scaoil ar chomrádaí dá chuid a gog an na saoirse. Is minic achtarí níos fuiltí a gogaí carga ná a gogaí idir náisiún, agus bála a bhí